we are teaching in Switzerland this week, and I wanted to talk to you about the prerequisite for brain level 1. We basically just want you to be comfortable touching inside the cranium. Some of the anatomical structures we're going to present to you. It's a little bit like at the beginning when you start with the viscera. You try to feel some organs through the skin, and it may be difficult to feel duodenum, kidney. Then you try to feel things through the thorax, endothoracic fascia, the pleura, the lungs, the fissure, the bronchi, primary, secondary, the hilum of the lung. Now the next step, you're gonna try to feel through the skull, and we're gonna explain to you and show you, do a lot of exercise they want to prepare you for this palpation. And so what the prerequisite is to have taken at least 3 classes that are subtle and refined kind of touch. Very soon we're going to have LDT1 as mandatory, because the teachers and the students really mention what a good palpatory experience and training it is to go to Lymph 1, because you feel directly the fluid body, the fluid under your hand, just through a thin layer of skin on the surface. And the other classes are any viscera class, cranial class, and if you so 3 of them total. Not a dissection class. You need to have some palpation skills and experience. And if you have a lot of training, maybe you're an osteopath practicing, maybe you have a lot of classes, you have a form of exception on the page for Brain 1 in the website, and you fill up the form, you describe how many hours of neuroanatomy you have, what class you took, and then you can be accepted to come to Brain 1 this way. That's it. Thank you very much.